So guys, check this out. It's like a door to perhaps a boiler, another one, or something. Who knows? And that's old too. Check that out. Half buried in the sand type of sediment here. Sweet.
Big fancy Nikon camera here.
Oh yeah, that'll be sick. No, there's no name on that bricks too. Just wait, please, eroded away. Oh my god, another piece of a door or something. Wow. Interesting. So as you can see guys, there's bricks all around this beach here. And this thing here is hubcap. Hey Nick. Hello. First person. There's a little wharf here. Probably belongs to the brick factory. Just up ahead. Check that out. Right guys, I'm almost there. Just a little walk up the beach, not too bad. So guys, there it is. The big boiler. That belonged to a brick factory operation. Ooh, it's muddy. Check this out. So you can see the rivets and everything. It's cool. Alright guys, I'm on top of the boiler now. Some parts have broke off. Not by me, of course. Sorry it didn't like that. Sounds like a little submarine. Let's check down this hole. Alright, bear with me guys to see what's inside. Oh, there's a spider. There's two actually. That's awesome. It's like one of the coolest landmarks to be found on Random Island. I mean, it's not exactly much, but it's something, I guess. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And hit that bell icon so you won't miss another Random Unknown video. And leave a comment if you feel like it. Anyways, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long, and have a great day everybody. Peace out. Boiler.